We believe that if benefits access is simple and comprehensive, that people will have more economic stability and have better health outcomes in the long run. And so we're really at a point where our organization is growing, and I think we're finding that we need to find new solutions that are above and beyond just basic kind of business analytics.
When I went to BDT, I think my goal was to identify opportunities of using data science, avenues where we can utilize some of the visual analytics approaches to come up with these quick hypotheses that their team, that Matt's team can test very, very effectively.
I think my contribution, besides the analytics and the machine learning, would be try to gather evidence and try to foresee, from my perspective, how changes will affect this organization and how this organization can adapt those changes.
So MakeSense is all about spotting inspiring projects that have real impact on social and environmental issues. We also mobilize a lot of citizens in order to tackle the different challenges. What we also do is we create partnerships with stakeholders that can be public or private. And basically, when I met Travis, it was one of the key points for MakeSense, because we're really putting a lot of energy into a new platform, MakeSense.org.
How can we motivate people to move? What is the kind of system that we need to set up to get people away from using Facebook, which is working well for them, and onto this other system? And so that's kind of where our work took us.
Travis tend to prove some of the intuitions we have, and also propose them some new steps in order to evolve through MakeSense and make the whole ecosystem grow.
This is very interesting for me because I could see so many avenues where I could have used some of my previous projects, which I published as well, and used BDT as a case study, and could actually have helped them make a real impact instead of just something that stays on a paper.
When you define analytics, it is very different when you talk about what they do in benefits data trust. For instance, an effectiveness of 99% would be perfect for any company, any commercial company. But an effectiveness of 99% for them is 3 or 4 people that not receive the help they need.
I think one of the goals that was listed for this whole data immersion process was to establish that common language between the academic community and not-for-profits. And I think that might be one of the biggest gifts